In what way are or should customer analytics and customer relationship management be interlinked?
So customer relationship management, if you go back to early days when people were interacting with companies, one example would be a storekeeper in a small town who would really get to know customers as they walked in the door. They knew what that customer bought last time. They knew what they were probably coming in to buy today. They knew what they wanted to buy, but they couldn't afford to buy for whatever reason. In fact, in small towns, they may know the customer personally. They know what their family is. They know who their relatives are. So they know everything about the customer. It's a really intimate relationship that they have with the customer. Now, as companies get bigger, it becomes harder to have that intimate relationship because all your employees can't possibly know all of your customers. And that's really where customer analytics and business analytics comes in. It helps people make that connection again. Your employees make that connection between who those customers are, what do they want, what have they bought in the past, what are they likely to buy next. And so it's kind of like a glue that pulls the employees at big companies back closer together to the customers that they have. And so it's all about understanding customers as individuals, as I mentioned before. The more we know about the customer, the more likely that they are to trust us and that we're able to have a conversation with them. As marketers, it used to be that we would send messages out and hope that the customer would come back and buy our product. That era is gone. The expectation of the customer now is that that we're listening to them, that when they tell us something that we actually respond. And for a marketer to have a conversation with a company and for any employee of a company to have a conversation with a customer where the customer feels like they're not being listened to is obviously a recipe for not having a customer very long, because it's all about building trust. And the only way you're going to build trust with a customer is if they feel like you're able to understand who they are and what they want.